Alrighty then, this is the Dex 2 hands. Turn on the transformation so you can see these are all the joints. Lots of them there. And starting, actually let's just kill it and restart it. This is the SDF file. I also have the URDF file. What's missing is, by the way, I haven't created a config file yet. That's coming. And then here is the file as it stands. There's an issue here. I'm going to fix that. Small. There's also an issue here in the rotation point here, but that's also a small thing to fix. Actually, and let's start with the shoulder pitch and yaw, revolute. There we go. Hands up and smack. Let's turn off the transformations, a bit easier to see. And now the upper arm yaw, that's where there's a problem. You can see there it rolls beyond its rotation point, so it's not in the center here. So I need to fix that. That'll make that a little bit easier. Next is elbow pitch. Hi, how you doing? Forearm roll, wrist pitch, smack. Again, wrist yaw. I've named these kind of funky names, but you know, you can go rename it, whatever you want to name it. Let's take a look here from the front. You know, we obviously want the hand to start out in a certain position, so we'll you know, find 0 on the hand, and then we'll work from there. So that's something that we want to get going. The other thing is none of the let's say none of the actual finger joints are dependent on each other. So I'd like to send a command and then have all of the joints react in the appropriate time and speed. So that's something that we want to work on that. So let's look at the hand from here, maybe be a little bit better. We'll just grab it like that. There we go. Maybe bring it down. And a little closer. There we go. So now we're on the hand. Focused on the hand. And got the index, tip. Some of these are going in the opposite direction, so I will fix that. Thumb rotation. This one isn't correct. I will fix that too. It's just a visual thing. I don't like the visual issues. But there, you can almost make them touch each other. There we go. And then the collisions aren't set up here. Neither are the joint limits or you know, proper inertia. So those are things that will come next. There it is. NLP. Tip. And obviously what we don't want to have happen is any commands causing any kind of interference with the other fingers. So I'm going to use a combination of move it and some other things in code to make sure that that doesn't happen, or it interferes with itself. So we'll set some limits there. Cool. think that's good. And super excited to work on the live robot. So I start printing one. That's that hand right there in that position. So I start printing one, so we'll finish the printing and then get this thing actually moving along with the hand. All right, good enough for now, and we'll also get it set up with NVIDIA Isaac Sim. Thanks.